vehicles, 4 exhaust vehicles are down there.
Oh, good. We're just leaving the house.
Yeah, so they're there with the drivers. Let me get your contact person. I think Opanga is a gentleman, the name of Opanga will be there, but let me just get you the number of the contact person. The 4 vehicles are there with 16 people, 4 for each car.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, very good.
Are you okay?
Yes, we're okay. We are just going to the office now.
Okay. You are still in your room?
Oh, yeah.
Are you all together so that I can talk on speakerphone?
Yeah, we are all together, but we are running to the office. But do we get in first?
Come again?
Do we get in first so that you talk with us?
Yes,
because we are running to the office.
Yeah, that's okay. But you see, I just want everybody to hear what I have to report to you guys. And I hope you are.
He wants to give us I know. Yeah, but he wants to pass a message. Come. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you. Dennis, don't go in. Sorry, Edwin. Don't go in.
Hello?
Okay, this is Rafael.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, we are in the office. No, we are in.
Yeah, so you can put on speakerphone so I can explain to everyone?
Yes, it is on speakerphone.
Okay. Good morning, heroes and sheroes.
Good morning.
Okay. Now, your security vehicles are outside, downstairs. They'll escort each one of you. Each one of you has got a security vehicle.
Okay.
With 4 security men.
Okay.
There are 3 plus a driver, but as I mentioned to you yesterday, if you have a preferred driver, then you bring your own driver.
Okay.
The allowances are taken care of.
Okay.
Yes.
So you don't need to worry about the allowances, about their lunch or anything like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's 1. 2, I think I'm trying to get in touch with Kulundu so that we can afford the same security.
Mm-hmm.
I believe you agree to that.
Yes, I think that's fine.
Okay. And then I think it's very important that you go to the office. And then, of course, under those circumstances, should CHEBUKATI attempt to chair any meeting, which includes you guys, you will have your meetings chaired by Cherera. He can have his meeting with the other 2. Because basically, by you walking out, it means you've lost confidence in him as a chairman. So that if there is anything he comes out with as chairman, there will be a country. Is that reasonable?
Yeah,
we think about that.
Yeah, we think about
that.
Yeah, you. I mean, it's not me. I'm just throwing that on the table so you guys can discuss and decide. But it's a suggestion.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. And if there's anything, you can tell me. There are some other confidential discussions that I'll be coming to discuss with you. Again, we'll have to agree on what time. But I think you should leave. I think it's best for you guys to take lunch in the office when you leave at 5. Then we can gather again.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Okay.